iOS 18 brings a host of exciting features that enhance the iPhone experience. First up, we have the revamped lock screen, now with customizable widgets that let you see your favorite apps at a glance. The Messages app gets a major upgrade too, introducing audio message transcriptions, making it easier to catch up on conversations. Next, the new focus modes allow for even more tailored notifications, so you can concentrate without distractions. Apple Maps now includes offline maps, perfect for those times when you're out of service. And let's not forget about the improved FaceTime, which now supports spatial audio and video effects, making calls feel more immersive. Siri is smarter than ever, with enhanced contextual understanding, so she can follow up on your requests seamlessly. Privacy features have also been beefed up, with new app tracking transparency options that give you more control over your data. Plus, the Health app now tracks mental wellness, offering insights into your mood and stress levels. With all these updates, iOS 18 is set to redefine how we interact with our devices, making everyday tasks smoother and more enjoyable.